Hey there, camera enthusiasts. Welcome back to channel, the go-to spot for all things photography. And today we have something special in store for you, the best DSLR cameras of 2024. Number 5, Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D is a capable APS-C DSLR. Even with high ISO settings, it produces clean, clear photos with a pretty large dynamic range and little noise. It also has an autofocus technology that performs admirably in photography and does an excellent job of tracking and maintaining focus on subjects in 4K and FHD video. It's easy to use and features a well-organized menu system that's simple to traverse. Unfortunately, it's rather big and performs terribly when it comes to smoothing down camera shake while filming. The Canon 90D is an excellent choice for sports and wildlife photography. Overall, image quality is good and its reasonable maximum shooting speed, along with its rapid maximum shutter speed, makes it easy to catch crisp images of fast-moving subjects. Its autofocus technology also performs admirably when it comes to acquiring and keeping focus on faces and objects. It's easy to use, however, some of its controls are a little sluggish, and its hefty size can be an irritation. The Canon 90D is a good travel camera. Images get more detailed and grainy as camera ISO increases, though image sharpness decreases at high ISO levels. It features a wide shutter speed range so you can easily freeze the movement of fast-moving subjects or take long exposure photographs. Its focusing technology is also rather quick, dependable, and steady, and it has enough battery life to last you through long shooting sessions. Unfortunately, it's fairly bulky, making it difficult to transport even though it's comfortable to use. The Canon 90D is an excellent choice for studio video work. The video quality in 4K is good, with finely drawn object edges and surfaces and a good capacity to handle visual noise. FHD recording quality is a little poorer, but still adequate. Its autofocus technology also performs an excellent job of tracking moving subjects. The menu system is simple to use, and the camera itself has a variety of accessory connectors, including a clean HDMI output for using an external recorder without any overlays, as well as headphone and microphone jacks. Number 4, Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3600 could include an updated sensor with a greater megapixel count and improved dynamic range, boosting its ability to capture delicate details and offer superb image quality. Building on the D3500's dependable autofocus technology, the D3600 could have an even more advanced AF system with more focus points and improved subject tracking, making it ideal for recording fast-paced action and moving subjects. The D3600 could be equipped with a tilting or completely articulating touchscreen, providing a more intuitive and user-friendly interface. This feature would allow for simple menu navigation, quick focus point selection, and touch-to-focus features. According to current technology trends, the D3600 may include quicker and more dependable connectivity possibilities. This could incorporate the most recent Wi-Fi standards, NFC, near-field communication, and enhanced Bluetooth for easy pairing with smartphones and other devices. The D3600 could have a wider ISO range for greater low-light performance, allowing photographers to shoot high-quality photographs in difficult settings. While still capable of shooting 4K video, the D3600 may include advanced video capabilities such as faster frame rates, improved video focusing, and increased video stabilization for smoother, more professional-looking footage. Nikon may concentrate on optimizing power consumption, which would result in a longer battery life for the D3600. This enhancement would be advantageous for photographers who frequently find themselves shooting for extended periods of time without simple access to charging. The D3600 may include additional in-camera processing options and creative filters, allowing photographers to add artistic effects to their photographs without using post-processing software. To appeal to a wider audience, especially outdoor enthusiasts, the D3600 could include a weather-sealed body that resists dust and moisture. The Nikon D3600, which will be released in 2024, builds on the legacy of its predecessor, D3500, as an outstanding entry-level DSLR. With an emphasis on user-friendliness, this camera is ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts. The D3600 has a higher resolution sensor which improves image quality and low-light performance. Its sophisticated autofocus mechanism enables fast and accurate focusing, resulting in clear and detailed images. Improved connectivity options such as built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth provide smooth photo sharing and remote camera control via a specialist app. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long shooting sessions, and the user-friendly interface makes navigating simple. Furthermore, the D3600 retains the lightweight and small design that made its predecessor popular with consumers. Number 3, Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a full-frame DSLR camera with outstanding image quality, adaptability, and sophisticated capabilities. This camera, which was released as the successor to the successful 5D Mark IV, is favored by both professional photographers and enthusiasts. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV has a 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that produces high-resolution photos with exceptional detail and dynamic range. The DSLR 6 Plus image processor further contributes to the camera's rapid speed, low light sensitivity, and low noise levels. One of its distinguishing features is its sophisticated autofocus technology, which includes 61 AF points, 41 of which are cross-type, for precise and fast focusing even in difficult settings. The dual-pixel CMOS AF technology improves video focusing in live view, making it a fantastic choice for videographers. The 5D Mark IV has a continuous burst rate of 7 frames per second, making it ideal for recording fast-paced action. Furthermore, it enables 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and offers remarkable video quality with excellent color reproduction and sharpness. The camera's sturdy structure and weather-sealed construction make it durable and dependable in a variety of shooting settings. The 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD is useful for navigating menus and evaluating images, while built-in Wi-Fi and GPS provide current connectivity possibilities. The 5D Mark IV has an excellent native ISO range of 100 to 32,000, which can be expanded to 50 to 102,400. This wide dynamic range allows for shooting in a variety of lighting settings while maintaining image quality. For accurate metering and fine exposure adjustment, the camera has a 150,000 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor. The intelligent viewfinder displays shooting data in a clear and comprehensive manner. The incorporation of GPS enables for image geotagging, which is useful for photographers who want to monitor the location of their shots. The built-in Wi-Fi allows for simple image sharing and remote camera operation via the Canon Camera Connect app. The 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen allows for not only navigation but also touch focus and shutter activation. The dual-pixel RAW technology enables post-capture modifications such as microfocusing and costing reduction. The camera's magnesium alloy body ensures durability and dependability. It is also weather-sealed, providing resistance to dust and moisture, which is essential for outdoor and difficult shooting settings. The 5D Mark IV offers extensive customization, letting customers to adapt the camera settings to their specific needs. Customizable buttons, a quick control panel, and the option to save and load camera settings are all included. Aside from regular 4K video recording, the camera includes a time-lapse movie capability that allows users to produce spectacular time-lapse sequences directly in camera. Number 2. Nikon D780. The Nikon D780 replaces the popular Nikon D750 DSLR, offering significant improvements in focusing, battery life, and high ISO performance, as well as 4K video capability and a touchscreen. When shooting in live view, its hybrid autofocus system gives you the best of DSLR technology through the viewfinder while borrowing the on-sensor phase detection autofocus system from the mirrorless Nikon Z6. It isn't the most portable camera, but its sturdy body makes it a terrific workhorse that can withstand heavy use, and its 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor provides high-quality shots in all lighting circumstances. This is a fantastic alternative for aficionados looking for the finest that DSLRs have to offer, sitting above the mid-range Nikon D7500 and below the pro-grade Nikon D850. The Nikon D780 is an excellent choice for wildlife and sports photography. While its maximum burst rate isn't particularly rapid, it does have an extremely fast maximum shutter speed and a dependable autofocus system that allows it to catch images of fast-moving subjects. Furthermore, the relatively quick buffer clearing time allows you to fire out long continuous bursts without long breaks. Image quality is likewise good, and the camera is both pleasant and durable to operate. It lacks in-body image stabilization, thus while shooting in low light at slower shutter speeds, you'll have to rely on optically stabilized lenses. Number 1. Canon EOS 6D Mark II. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II is a DSLR camera with a full-frame sensor. It's well-made, easy to use as a simple menu system, and has an outstanding overall battery life. It also provides good image quality, with little visible noise or graininess in photos and an adequate dynamic range. Unfortunately, its video capabilities are fairly limited, with no 4K recording support and subpar HD video quality. It's also large and bulky, making it difficult to transport for extended periods of time. For trip photography, the Canon 6D Mark II is adequate. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.